Hello and welcome to Instagram Mastery 2019. Now, as you may be able to tell by the title, what I'm going to teach you in this lecture is exactly how Instagram is a major tool for any business and anybody looking to start a business online. Now, first things first, Instagram is one of the biggest social media platforms there is, and it just keeps on growing every single year. Making sure that your business is on Instagram is crucial. Perhaps you don't own a business. Perhaps you're looking to start Instagram as your business to leverage yourself as an influencer. That's fine, and there's lots of successful people that are doing exactly the same thing. Now, let me get into the exact reasons why I think Instagram is a great tool for business. Firstly, your competition is on there. No matter what business you're in, no matter what industry you're in, or no matter what niche you're into, your competition is already on Instagram. Now, this is a good thing for many reasons. One of the main reasons is you can view and see all of their posts and all of their content. You can then get a really good idea on how they're marketing their pages and how they're growing their businesses on Instagram. Consider this a free spy tool that really has no limits. Secondly, your customers are on Instagram. Almost everybody in the world owns an Instagram account. Simply uploading good content within a certain niche and a certain industry will 99% of the time get you followers that are interested in that post. Now, it's ensuring that you have a professional strategy behind your business and behind your brand that's really going to make sure that every single follower counts. Each follower is a potential new customer, and that's something you need to take advantage of on the Instagram platform. Thirdly, Instagram's a great place to share and promote your services. Now, on Instagram, you can't link in the caption for now, but you can link in your bio. So as long as you're driving steady traffic to your Instagram page, your website link is at the front and foremost of all of them page visitors. Now, Instagram has a really in-depth insights tool that allows you to see exactly how many people have clicked your link per month, how many people have visited your page, how many people have engaged with your content, and so on and so forth. Now, this is huge. Now, this allows you to track your actions on Instagram, which is crucial if you want to analyze and see if you are following the strategy that I'm teaching you correctly. Instagram is one of the hubs for viral content. With the Explore page, Instagram's algorithm will pick up your content and put it on the Explore page in front of millions and millions of potential customers. Going viral on Instagram can be a tricky task, but when you do, it really pays off. You can see your page going up by 10,000 followers overnight with one simple viral post. Now, in this course, I will be teaching you how to make your post go viral and how to find good viral content. So don't worry, sit tight, it is coming. For now, let's talk about how a piece of viral content could be super beneficial for your brand and your business. Imagine a free piece of content that you've uploaded onto a social media platform for free, and then that post then being put in front of hundreds and thousands of people that are potentially interested in what you're selling and your brand. Then viewers are then sent back to your profile where they can see your website link, any services you're selling. They can then follow your account and you'll have them as a loyal fan for forever. So the viral opportunities are almost endless on Instagram. It works 24 hours round the clock, it never stops, there's no downtime. As long as you're posting good content, virality is just one share button away. Customers have a huge range of options that they get with your content, whether it's liking, commenting, sharing with their friends, you name it, your customer can share your post whichever and whatever way they want. This is obviously huge for you and a great opportunity to utilize. Now, in the next section of this course, we're going to talk about how does Instagram work and how does the algorithm choose accounts that it wants to favor and choose accounts that it wants to make go viral. This is one of the major steps that you need to understand and you need to learn before you start implementing an Instagram strategy. There's going to be parts in this next course that will really, flick a light bulb on in your mind, and definitely a few nuggets that you probably wouldn't have known about before. So yes, I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you enjoy the course.